Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your trading psychology using Thinkorswim. Start by familiarizing yourself with the platform. Open Thinkorswim and log into your account. Navigate to the charts section to analyze your trading performance visually. Set up a watch list of stocks or assets you frequently trade. This will help you focus on familiar markets and reduce decision fatigue. Next, use the Analyze tab to explore your trading strategies. Analyze past trades to identify patterns in your decision-making process. Review both winning and losing trades to understand your emotional responses. Utilize Thinkorswim's paper trading feature to practice strategies without financial risk. This allows you to focus on the mechanics of trading without the pressure of real money. Incorporate the risk profile tool to assess potential outcomes of your trades. Understanding risk can help mitigate fear and anxiety associated with trading. Adjust the settings to customize alerts that notify you of price movements. Timely alerts can prevent emotional reactions when prices fluctuate unexpectedly. Consider keeping a trading journal within Thinkorswim to track your thoughts and feelings. Document your emotional state before and after each trade to spot trends in your psychology. Regular introspection can significantly enhance your trading discipline. Explore the education section for resources on psychological strategies in trading. Stay informed about behavioral finance to become more aware of common psychological pitfalls. Engage with Thinkorswim's community forums to share experiences and strategies with fellow traders. This can provide emotional support and alternative perspectives on trading challenges. Finally, set specific, achievable goals for your trading sessions. Focusing on small, achievable goals can help build confidence and reduce stress. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your trading psychology using Thinkorswim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.